Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned how to find the LCM by using the multiples of a number, isn't it? Two numbers were given. We started writing all the multiples and then we found out the common multiple and we have taken the least common multiple as LCM. But here, today we are learning how to find the LCM of two numbers by using the prime factorization. And prime factorization of numbers we have learned in two methods. One is factor tree method, another one is by division method. Now let us find the LCM by prime factorization using the short division method. Okay, now let us see here two numbers are given 16 and 20. Now we have to find the LCM of these two numbers. Now first let us find out the prime factorization of 16. 16 is a even number, so divide it by 2. 16 8s are 2 8s are 16. Now in 8, again it is an even number, you can divide it by 2. In 8, 2 goes 4 times. 4 is the quotient. Now in 4, 2 goes 2 times. Again in 2, 2 goes 1 time. So the prime factorization of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 is multiplied. Now let us take the prime factorization of 20. So it's an even number. First let us divide it by 2. 2 tens are 20. Thus 10 is the quotient. Now again 10 is divisible by 2. Let us divide by 2. You get 5 as the quotient. And 5 divided by 5 will give you 1. So prime factorization of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Now let us write all these one below the other. Prime factorization of 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2. And prime factorization of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Here 2 is a common factor and here another 2 is also a common factor, and 2, 2 and 5 are left over. Now LCM of 16 is equal to, first let us write the common factors, multiply them 2 into 2, and the remaining numbers are also to be multiplied 2 into 2 into 5. First we will write the common factor, that is 2, and again the common factor, left over 2's, 2 times 2 and 5. So now let us multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 5's are 80. So the LCM of 16 and 20 is 80. So this way we can find out the LCM of two numbers by using the prime factorization method. Now another sum. 12 and 22 are given. Let us find the LCM. First let us do the prime factorization of 12. 12 is an even number, so divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. Now again 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3's are 6. Now let us divide 3 by 3. You get 1. 1 as quotient. Next, let us take 22. 22 divided by 2, you get 11. 11 divided by 11, you get 1 as quotient. Now, prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. We have written like this. And prime factorization of 22 is 2 into 11. Now, LCM of 2 and 22, how to find? 2, 2, it is common number, isn't it? So, take the common factor 2. Now, what are the leftover numbers? 2 and 3 and 12. Multiply all these four numbers. Now, let us see how much you get. 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12, 12 11's are 132. So, LCM of 12 and 22 is 132. Now let us go for one more example. Now LCM of 54 and 38. Now 54 is an even number. Now let us first divide it by 2. 2, here I have shown the division, it's a big number. So 2 goes 2 times in 5. 1 is a remainder, bring down 4. 2 7's are 14. So the quotient is 27. When you divide 54 by 2, you get 27 as the quotient. Now, take 27 and divide it by 3, you get 9 as quotient. Again 9 you can divide by 3 to get 3. 3 divided by 3 will give you 1 as the quotient. Now let us take 38, it's an even number, let us divide it by 2. Here I have shown the division. So in 38, 2 goes 19 times. 19 is a prime number, so divided by 19 directly, you get 1 as the quotient. Now, let us write the prime factorization of 54. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, 2 3 times and 2 and 3 times. Next, prime factorization of 38 is 2 into 19. Now, let us find the LCM of 54 and 38. 2 is the common number, common factor. So, take 2 one time only. And the leftover numbers 3 into 3 into 3. Multiply all these. And 19 also is leftover. Multiply it. Now, let us do the multiplication. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are 54. 54 into 19. 19 4s are 76. Carry 7. 19 5s are 95 plus 7, 102. So 1026 is the LCM of 54 and 38. Now, another sum. Find the LCM of 36 and 45. 36 is an even number. Let us divide it by 2. 2 18s are 36. Again, 18 is divisible by 2. You get 9 as quotient. Divide 9 by 3. You get 3 as quotient. 3 divided by 3, you get 1 as quotient. Now, 45. It's divisible by 5. So, 5 9s are 45. Again, you got 9 here. Divide this 9 by 3, you have 3 as quotient. Divide 3 by 3, you get 1 as quotient. Now, let us write the prime factorization of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, whatever numbers we got here. And prime factorization of 54, 5 into 3 into 3. So, write these 3's under 3 itself, and 2 can be written either here or here, your wish. Now, LCM of 36 and 45 is, here first 2 common factors, 3 into 3, and leftover numbers 2 into 2, multiply it, and 5 is also leftover. Now, let us multiply all these factors. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 into 5 gives you 180. So, LCM of 36 and 45 is 180. So, in this way, you can do all the sums, the LCM of the given numbers by the prime factorization method. So, homework is given. First, copy all the 4 sums and do the homework sums that are given and show all the sums. Children, many of you are not mentioning your name, class and roll number while you send your homework to me. But this time make sure that you do your work neatly, clearly and spaciously also. Leave enough gap between the numbers and words so that you can revise before exams. Okay? Thank you.